what's the secret behind the cinematic look? How they even do it? How to start? Where to begin? Where did I learn all the skills from? The comment section is flooded with your comments. So today one day. Well, there's bunch of videos out there explaining the same thing, the cinematic look. Well, this is not about how to create a cinematic look or a tutorial, but it's much deeper than that. You know, when I started filming, I was in school. I had a story and a phone camera, and I wanted to show it to the people, so I made it. I sent it to the competitions. People loved it. I got appreciated, attention, and so much more. But cinematography was the concept that I knew was important, but I don't really know what it is, or how to do it, or where to start. Then I studied, researched, observed movies. The answer was obvious, but I just can't really figure it out. My question always remained the same. Why cinematic look is cinematic? It's about lighting, gear, composition, rule, guidelines, or maybe all of them. But what's the point? What's the reason? What's the purpose? And then I found out. I found out the most obvious answer. Emotion. The purpose is to evoke emotion and feelings, but visually. That's the reason sad frame looks sad, happy looks happy, intense look intense. All the compositions, lighting techniques, rules are only exist to evoke emotion. According to Alan Watkin, there are more than 34,000 emotions that human can experience. 34,000? Damn, there are more than my views. Well, last time when my video goes viral, it was random. But I kinda like it. I was like... So you got the point. It's not about how you do it. It's about why you do it. And obviously for that, you need to understand the basic fundamental of lighting. Which type of lighting alter which emotion? Which color portray which emotion? You need to learn and practice rules and composition. Because with great composition comes great emotion. Anyway, if you want to know how to create a cinematic look, I'll create a separate video on that. Just let me know in the comment section. And that's it for today. Your crazy person signing off. Literally, I'm done. But why do it? Alright, I'm done.